welcome back to another Corsa video, and we've got a few problems that we need to look at. I'm going to start with a really simple one, namely the non-working number plate light bulb. So there's a tab on this light unit which just pull back. There we go. So you just pull the tab and prise it out. You just twist the holder and it comes out. Right, so I'm just hoping I've got a spare in here. Let's have a look. Yep, we do. I've got a spare one. There we go. So just push that in the bulb holder. Get it in. There we go. As I say, it is manual. Refitting is a reverse of removal. So just put it in, twist it, clip it back, and that's number plate light fixed. Now the biggest problem I have at the moment is a leaking cooling system. It doesn't seem to pressurise. And also coolant doesn't seem to be circulating. So first thing I'm going to check is the water pump. It's going to have to come off one way or another. So what we'll do is we'll get it all stripped down. I'll need to get the airbox off, remove the engine mount, support the engine from underneath, and then just strip it all off. Take this belt off, undo these bolts here for water pump pulley, and then get the water pump out and see what it's like. Because I think there's something seriously wrong with it. It doesn't seem to be circulating. Because normally when the engine's running, you see water coming through this tube into the top of overflow bottle. It runs from here, just pump water through here, nothing's coming through there. And there doesn't seem to be any circulation at all because the heater's cold as well. So I don't think there's anything wrong with the radiator. That were alright when I changed the engine. Anyway, I'm rambling on. access to the water pump. You can see that we've had a bad leak somewhere. You can see all rust where all coolant's escaped. So I just need to undo all these various bolts. Now it incorporates a thermostat housing, so I'm going to have to take off this top hose there and this hose here. I'm not sure where that goes. That goes to one of the heaters. So it's just a matter of pulling it all off. So I'll get the camera back up where it was before, and you can watch me pull it off, and I'll whiz through it all. Okay, the pump's off, and I thought it'd be absolutely blocked. I don't think there's actually anything wrong with the pump itself. It's just all this crap in passages. It just wants to go clean out. Probably when I did head gas, it probably used a bit too much sealant, because there was some even coated on the bolt. So I think the best thing to do is to get this cleaned up, reseal it. I don't really have money to spend on this because it's not really my car, and obviously need to get it moved on. Has to make way for the Celica whenever that happens, if it happens. Anyway, I'll keep on going. I think there's just too much sealant. Look at that. Look at all that sealant. Just wants going. I've probably went a bit too mad when I did head gasket. So I think I've got this stuff. It should be suitable for water pump. Nylon, flexible, slow curing. Seals in most automotive and industrial fluids. Yep, so I think we might be alright. Anyway, I'll get all this cleaned up, and I'll turn camera back on when I'm done. Well, I've managed to clean all the main surfaces up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this gasket, just do it straight on. I mean, it'll all have to come off. I've cleaned it all up, so we should be good. Just a thin bead all around, and that should do it. I've got it buttoned up. I've had it running a while, as you can see. It's still leaking, so all that work was for nothing. But at least it didn't cost me any money, just my time. So I'm back at where I started from. So I'm going to leave it for this one. I'll just get a new water pump and I've done with it. I think it must be the shaft that's leaking, because I sealed it up alright. But so new water pump it'll have to be. So I'm going to wrap this video up for now. So, hope you enjoyed this one. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Questions and comments, you know where to put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you.